welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarahiiy. I know it's hard to pronounce, but you guys can go ahead and call me Sarah. A lot of people call me like that anyways. Yeah, thank you so much for being here today. And for today's look, I'm going to be doing this pink magenta eye look. I freaking love how it turned out. I actually did this like 3 days ago, and I did snap a couple of pictures on my Snapchat, and so many of you guys were begging for a tutorial, so here it is. I did record this yesterday, but it was a big fail, you guys, because I had food on my braces and I just couldn't put it out there. And I'm pretty sure if I uploaded it on my channel, a lot of people wouldn't notice, but I do, and it bugs me. I honestly don't want to put like half-assed videos for you guys. I want my videos to come out good so you guys can enjoy them. So I redid it again, and even though I did complain about it on my Snapchat, so many of you guys were like, who cares, you know, just food on your teeth, but it bugged me so much that I just had to film it again. So I'm sorry if this video is going a little bit late. I know that you guys wanted to see the tutorial very quickly, but again, thank you so much for just watching this video and being very patient with me. I really loved how the makeup look turned out. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like it too. Definitely a springtime eye look. I really love how it turned out. So if you guys want to learn how I did this look, then please continue watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this magenta eye look that I did like 2-3 days ago. So many of you guys went crazy over this eye look. Let me show you guys really quick. I'm gonna be recreating it. So yeah, by the way, this is the second attempt that I do this video, because the first video that I did, I had food in my braces and it was just so bad. Like, I'm such a perfectionist sometimes, especially when I know I can do it again, you know. So this is my job. I need to get it right or else I won't upload it here on YouTube. So I hope you guys understand that. All right, so the first shade that I picked up was in the Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors palette, and I picked up Oh So Sassy, which is this color right here in the palette. It's the only shade that I picked up that it's in on the palette that I'm going to be using right now, but I'm just going to be applying this all over my crease as my transition color. You want a bright transition color, especially when you're working with bright colors, you know. Oh, by the way, I do have a full face on and my brows done. I'm just going to be showing you guys today the eye look, because I feel like if I do the whole entire, you know, full face and everything, it was going to be like a 20-minute video. By the way, give this video a thumbs up if you guys like my background. I did it all by myself. You guys are never going to believe it. I'm like using my dad's lining to do the light in the background. So pretty darn proud of myself. For today's eye look, I did use the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and it's this palette right here. Unfortunately, this palette, the shadows don't have names, so I'm gonna like point them out, but this is how the palette looks like. It's super pretty. I love the colors in this palette. They're very mauve-y, definitely. The first shade that I'm gonna be picking up with my Makeup Shack T12 brush is this color right here. It's kind of like a pink mauve color. It's a really pretty color if you just wear it by itself. And what I'm going to be doing is just apply the shade right on the outer corner like this. So I'm just going to be blending this back and forth like this. Well, now that I'm done with that shade, blending that shade out, I'm just going to grab this blending brush. It has no product on it, so I'm just going to be blending any harsh edges. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next color. The next color that I used is this color right here in the palette, and I'm gonna be blending it with this Morphe M441 brush. And what I'm gonna be doing with this eyeshadow is just pack it on the outer corner. And when you're done packing it on, I'm going to be taking this Makeup T46 brush, blend any harsh edges we have. I'm just gonna keep doing that until I feel like I'm good. But now I'm gonna cut the crease. And this is my favorite part. I always do have cut creases. I don't go all the way because I like how my eyes look like that. And the concealer that I love cutting my crease with is the Shape Tape concealer because it does turn matte, but this is in the shade medium. I'm gonna start cutting the crease. A brush that I really highly recommend when you're cutting your crease, I recommend getting the MAC 242 brush. It's this one right here. One thing that I do think that helps me a lot is doing the line first and then looking up and side to side just to see where like my eyelid hits my crease. So there's the line right there. So that's where I stop. I take any blending brush and just blend any harsh edges we have going on. Alright, so next I'm going to be adding the lid color that's going to go right where we cut the crease. I'm going to be taking this beautiful sapphire shade right here, and I'm going to be taking it with this Vanity flat brush. So now I'm just going to be taking the same Morphe brush that we packed that burgundy purplish color. I'm just going to be blending any harsh edges we have going on. By the way, if you guys see like this right here, my crease kind of folds right here and it kind of looks like, you know, my eyeshadow is not blended, but trust me, it is. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then I'm gonna come right back and finish the lower lash line and apply lashes, and then yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so now that I have my other eye good to go, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the shade again, and then I'm just gonna be doing my lower lash line now. Now I'm going to be taking this shade right here and applying it on my, like right on top of that shade we just applied. Now I'm going to be taking this shade right here and applying it on my, like right on top of that shade we just applied. Alright, so now that we have that good to go and we're set, we're going to go ahead and apply our lashes. Today's eyelashes, I'm going to be wearing the Lashes by Emery. I think that's how you pronounce it. And the style Lexi. And I love the packaging, super cute. So now I'm just going to be applying mascara. We're just gonna let the lashes sit for a little bit because I do want to get them tacky. So now I'm just going to be applying them. And I do highly recommend, you know, applying the glue first and then letting them sit for a little bit so they can get a little tacky and so they don't move around. I highly recommend that, especially if, you know, you're a beginner. See, they don't move around. Now they just stick because they're already a little bit dry. So now that we're done doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. This is optional, you guys don't have to do this. I'm gonna be taking my Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon in the shade Mist Me, and it's this really pretty lilac color. So now I'm going to be applying my favorite mascara right now. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Alright, so now I'm going to be applying this pink color right here, and I'm just going to be applying this on my inner corner. Alright guys, so now that we're done with our eyes, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of highlight. I'm going to be using my favorite highlighter right now, which is the Desi and Katie collaboration with Dose of Colors. Oh, I love this highlighter, you guys. Alright guys, so last but not least, I'm going to be taking my MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. You guys know that this is my ride or die lip liner. Alright, so now I'm going to be applying this Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the color Deep Thoughts. And then I'm not going to apply some on top. I'm just going to mix it. So now I'm going to apply the Dose of Colors More Creamer Please. This is also from the Desi and Katie collab. So you guys can definitely leave it matte, but I'm gonna apply this lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. This is the Gloss Bomb. Alright guys, so last but not least, I'm going to set my makeup with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Why did I say that all? I have to buy more of this stuff. Alright guys, so that is it for this eye tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And to be honest, the second time it came out way better. I like it so much better. Like my skin looks more dewier because I did do my whole entire face like an hour before I started to film. Yeah guys, I hope you guys liked the eye look. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.